Good Monday morning, lifelong wellness students. We are into our Thanksgiving week. We're approaching the end of the semester. So after this particular week, you only have 2 weeks left. Please note that everything that you have to complete in the course, you can complete at any point in time. If you want to complete it early, feel free to do so. You don't have to wait until that deadline. So for this particular week, for lifelong wellness, you can see that you're going to be into week 6. So you're reading chapter 12, which deals with addictions. And then you're also going to do the stress management assignment. So if you look under your weekly modules, you will see for this particular week, number 6, the week 6 module, you'll see the lecture notes that correspond with chapter 12 and also the explanations on how to do the stress management assignment. So for that particular assignment, note that you're going to be doing step 1, you're going to watch a few YouTube videos, and then step 2, you're going to read some material on ways to manage your stress and different relaxation techniques that you can practice. And then step 3, you're going to take an inventory, a basic test to see what your stress level actually is. So once you've completed those first 3 steps, then you can answer my questions that I have posed here. Okay, so you're going to place those answers to those questions in the assignment folder here, and you'll see the stress management assignment is there. So there's the folder for that particular assignment. You also have a chance to get some extra credit points if you choose to do so. For this particular extra credit opportunity, I'm asking students to get their cholesterol levels checked, get a lipid panel done. That way you can find out what your triglycerides are, your HDLs, your LDLs. Along with that, you can get your fasting plasma glucose checked. And it's always a great thing to know what those numbers are, because we walking around with high levels of cholesterol or fasting plasma glucose and not even know, and be at risk for heart disease or diabetes. So I encourage you to do so. For those of you that have even done within the last 6 months, note that I said you can submit your lab results that are within 6 months of this due date of this assignment to get credit for it. In addition to submitting your results, you are going to answer some questions though. So I do want you to take a closer look at those numbers and what they all mean. Okay, so you're going to submit answers to those questions. So if you choose to do that extra credit assignment, it's worth up to 15 points possible, and you're going to be putting it right here in that assignment folder as well. If you look at the weekly schedule, you will see that for this particular course, I do have a deadline of December 1st. I'm actually going to push that back to December 8th. I don't want to make you guys do anything over the Thanksgiving holiday. I want you to be able to spend time with your friends and your family and loved ones. So as far as deadlines for these particular assignments, going to be December 8th. Okay, so basically everything in the class needs to be completed by December 8th. So the other thing you're doing for that last week of class is taking the final exam. Okay, so all of these items, as long as you have them submitted by the December 8th deadline, then you should be good to go. Where is that exam located? If you go to, again, the quiz button, same thing where you've taken all of your tests, you'll see the exam is there. Okay, so there's basically 3 things. Okay, so you are going to be reading that chapter 12, and then you're going to be doing the stress management assignment. And then if you choose to do the extra credit, you could do that as well. And then the last item is that final exam. So all of those need to be completed by that December 8th deadline. Okay, if you have further questions, reach out to me. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you can take some time to relax and spend it with loved ones. And I will reach back out to you next week. If you have any questions, send me an email.